They used to live over here, right over here to the left. And yeah, I used to play a lot around here. Now the neighborhood definitely has changed. So I'm just turning the corner, see if things are like how they used to be. Yeah. So things are not quite the same. Let's roll through here. Used to play all up in here by the daycare area. As you see, we got people outside doing their thing. So my grandma used to live in the far right one back in the early days when all this stuff got originally built. My cousins lived at the top of the hill. Let's see what top of the hill looked like. I used to be up here every Christmas or so. Come see my peoples. They used to live in this one on the right up here. Or was it over here? That was back there on the right. Yeah. And so, but yeah. Back in the back. And of course, you see, check the view. That's why they call it the bay view. Because you can see the whole bay. So, yeah, man. Bay view. What they're gonna do about all that over there, but did you guys know that all that in the background is where they decommissioned all the ships from the atomic war tests? Nobody knew it. It's all on a PBS special. All that. So they had the people living over here who didn't even know what was going on. That building, way, all them warehouses over there, especially this one building that you can't see because this thing is blocking us. It was there. Whoa. That they used for that purpose. So, yeah. Used to come back to these areas back in the day and just roll through. Well, because I knew people over here at the time. So we can just turn the corner through here and see some things. So now it's all switched up. Let's go back. Let's go to the top.